Hi, I'm Elizabeth Barbalich, CEO and founder of Antipodes Beauty, sitting in our sustainable, architecturally designed, award-winning headquarters in Wellington, New Zealand. So I'm here as part of our Lift the Lid series, and this week talking to you about our Worship Skin Defense Serum. Now this water-based serum is great for people who are looking to defend their skin from oxidative stress, that is environmental ingressors such as pollution and also air conditioning from inside buildings. And it's also a great anti-blemish serum, so it actually helps to minimize acne and bacteria under the skin, and all over help to clear and calm your skin. So the product itself is 100% natural and features a cocktail of New Zealand superfruits. So in this we have a unique compound called Bonanza Oxyfen Plus, which is boysenberries, black currants, kiwi fruit and New Zealand grapes, all sustainably grown and sustainably sourced. So great for your skin and also has a limited impact on the environment. Also features acai berry, so altogether it's a potent cocktail of antioxidant power. So really helps to defend the skin and keep your skin looking healthier for longer. It really is a starting point for an anti-aging product. So if you have younger, oily skin, this would be a great intro product to use as a daily serum under your moisturizer. Now, like many of our key products, it has strong scientific validation, and this one is shown to protect skin cells from oxidative stress by 90%. So what that means, it will give your skin all-day protection as you're out and about during your day. So we hope you try this product, and if you haven't, I think you'll be really surprised at how clear and balanced your skin will appear. This product's been on the market for several years, has been loved and coveted by media across the globe, and we hope you enjoy using it also. Thanks for watching and look forward to seeing you next week.